Alright, so I have been having this query for quite some time, and it's about this guy. Let me just set the context first. My query involves my Interceptor and the tires that this Interceptor has, which, as all of you know, are tubed tires. And I have been planning on getting the tubeless conversion kit for my Interceptor. And as I plan on doing that, I came up with this query and it's been lingering on my mind ever since. And that is that I have been planning of getting the tubed tires on my Interceptor converted into tubeless. The two most popular options available in the market today for conversion of tubed tires into tubeless are number 1, Outex, and number 2, Way 2 Speed. There are times when I take this bike off-roads and there could be situations of continuous off-roading bringing about some sort of denting on the rim. Now if the rim gets dented, there is every possibility that the air inside the tire could start leaking out, and over a period of time I could end up seeing a 0 psi on the tires. So in order to avoid that, because this is not a puncture kind of a situation, having the tube inside could really save my arse. The query basically is, if I wish to convert my tire using, let's say, the Outex kit to seal all the perforations on the rim body, and along with that, if I still wish to retain the tube inside the tire just for the sake of any exigency, if the rim happens to get some sort of a dent and the air starts getting out of that tire, if it's not a puncture kind of a situation, obviously the tube is still going to work just fine, rather than a situation where the conversion has happened for the motorcycle and in the off-roading situation, if the rim gets bent, then there is every possibility that the tire pressure is to come down to an absolute 0. With the conversion kit installed, along with the tube inside, I don't see any disadvantage of doing that. However, if I take the tube out and keep the tire only in its tubeless setting, out in the off-roads there could be a possible situation where I'll have to end up struggling with this 220 kilos monster. So shall I be retaining the tube inside the tire? It's an experiment which I think not many people would have come up with the thought of, and that's why I'm throwing this question open in the public in case you have tried this before. It's going to be a question that you'd like to help me out with. So let me know in the comments if you have tried this or have come up with this question on your mind. I would be really thankful, and that would be awesome knowing what this would entail. So thank you and have a great day. Care to share your inputs, care to share your experience if you have tried that. If not, well, it's going to be food for thought for you as well, probably. So let's see.